Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jay. I'm going to make to you what we call Boullette today. We're going to make the traditional one that you can get on the side road as a simple dish. We're going to do, I'm going to have another video coming up, but in this one we're just going to do the plain ones. Then we're going to do the ones with shrimp. So simple few ingredients that we've got. This is dried shrimps. It's been rehydrated in boiling water for about 45 minutes. This now weighs 40 grams. We've got a nice handful of spring onions chopped. We've got some pink Himalayan salt to taste, obviously guys, as I always say. 10 grams of garlic, 10 grams of ginger. Then we've got 40 grams of corn flour at the moment. I might add more depending on how the texture feel when I make it, so I will let you know. I'm doing this, I'm adding salt, because what you do, if you add salt on here and you give it a mix, you give this about 5 minutes, it's going to release so much water. Then you give it another like 5 to 10 minutes and you squeeze it again. The best thing to do is to do this at least 3 times, because if you look at this, you can already see it's dripping water. You can use a grater or you can put it in a blender, but at the end of the day you just want this to mush down as much so all this flavour can go into here after. In here, obviously the salt's gone in here as well. So what we're going to do, we're basically going to want to put all this in here, mix it up, and then put the corn flour in here as well. So with the corn flour I'm going to do this, use all of it, because it will just stick to the bowl. I just want to get it all out. Round them off. Can you see some of the liquid drain? Just do that. All go in a bowl and it should stay like that. Just form it in a bowl. Apply a tiny bit of pressure. So like that, let the excess liquid drain out. This one's going to go in the pressure king thrower. This is the present my mum got me. Does the job perfectly. Okay guys, that's everything done. So we've got the plain one here, the one with shrimp here. We've got some lassasai and soya sauce in here. So nice, yeah. Simply done, simply garnished. Just having it like that as a side with my dinner. So like, yeah, we made chili oil. So we're gonna do that. And obviously put some of this on it. Oh yeah. Gotta taste it guys. That's the one. Guys, trust me. Gotta make this, otherwise you are missing out.